Hi guys, so I am here again to glam up. Okay, I've already done my makeup, but before I show you guys the wig I'm going to be wearing today, let me just tell you guys something. Okay, when I brought out this wig from the packet, because I already unboxed it for the camera and stuff, right? When I brought this wig out of the packet, I was like, it's finished. You're going to see why in a few seconds, why I am this excited. Okay, now the wig I'm going to be wearing today is from Yolissa hair. You guys, I love this branding. That's why I did pink today. Okay, I wanted to just, you know, match with the brand. Okay, I wanted to wear a pink outfit, but I was like, that would be too much. But yeah, you guys, this is Yolissa hair, and I'm so excited. Okay, so this is their body wave wig, and it is 3x4 HD lace front. It's a body wave wig. Okay, but let me not even talk too much. Let me show you guys the wig. So yeah, that's the box that it came in, and inside the box, so it came with this branded elastic band to tie down your edges. It also came with this pink scarf. Okay, you can also use this to tie down your edges as well. Then it has this bag, satin bag for storing your wigs. It has a pair of lashes, and it has this bald cap. Okay, HD wig cap, so you can use it for bald cap. Then also this brush for your edges, for your baby hair, and all of that stuff. Okay, so now let me show you guys the wig. Okay, this is the wig. The curls are perfect. Like, I don't even feel like laying this hair again because of how perfect it is. Like, I don't want to spoil the curls. Okay, but this wig is perfect. You guys, if you want a ready to wear wig that is not going to stress you, that already comes pre-plucked, okay, just look at the hairline. The hairline is already pre-plucked and bleached. Okay, so you don't need to bleach anything, you don't need to pluck anything. All you need to do is just cut off the lace, you know, to your hairline, and you are good to go. But yeah, it comes with adjustable straps. Okay, so these are the straps. You can use this to make it a glueless wig. So you just, I mean, this is coming from both sides. Okay, it's coming from here to here, so you can use this to wear this wig as a glueless wig. Just, you know, lay your edges and stuff. And look at the strap, you guys, pardon my finger, I actually injured myself. But yeah, just look at this strap, you guys. The attention to details is it for me, right? Is this for me? The attention to details, because this thing on this strap will make this strap stay well on your head. Okay, so yeah, that's the lace. Is 13x4, so you can put your pattern anywhere, but the pattern came in the middle, which I'm going to leave it, you know, I'm going to leave it as a center part. When I was doing my makeup, I tried not to put, you know, lots of makeup on my forehead, so I didn't really put makeup here, just so that the glue can stay because I want to use spray glue, so just to be sure that the glue will stay. Let's go. I've not even finished putting it though. I've not even finished putting it, but I'm like, okay. So this is the wig. Okay, this is the wig. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't even like put foundation or anything. And this is the color of the lace. Okay, but because the knots have been bleached, you can see that it looks like it is coming from my scalp. Okay, let me just come closer. Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? This is perfect. I did not pluck anything. I did not try to maneuver anything with the hairline. This is just this wig out of the box. Okay, out of the box. Okay, so I have the lace on my head now. Okay, and I have trimmed around my ear so that it will fit perfectly. So everything fits really well now. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray the lace down. I'm going to be using this Ebin Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. This is my first time using it, but I've heard good reviews about it. But you can use any adhesive spray that you have that really works for you. Okay. So I have tied this down for a little while. Let me cut off the lace and then just do the finishing touches before I release the coils, okay? Okay, so I am done laying this wig and I look like an angel, okay? I don't need you to tell me anything. You can't tell me nothing, okay? Yolissa hair, you guys are really good, okay? So I think I should just use my hand to, you know, separate these coils a bit. I don't want to brush it. You guys just leave a comment down below and just tell me how good I look, okay? Because this wig is wigging. Like, what? I didn't even do much. I didn't even use like hot comb to do the top, you know, like to, maybe I should do that actually, like to just raise hair up a bit to add some volume to it. Okay guys, this is the final look. Like, I feel so pretty, I feel so beautiful, okay? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this wig from Yolissa hair. Already pre-plucked and pre-bleached, okay? The knots have been bleached and it has been styled, okay? They have plucked it, they have styled it. Like, I didn't even know what to do again. I was just trying to, you know, try and brush it up and all that, but there's really nothing to do to this wig because this wig is already perfection. I didn't want to brush out the coils. I'm going to brush it out in a few minutes, okay, or in a few seconds, but I didn't want to brush it out immediately because I wanted to just see how it will look right out of the pack, you know, when I just fluff it out with my fingers, and it looks really good. Some of the curls have calmed down because, you know, I have been styling this hair for a while, but they now look better. Like, they now look like luscious. They now look like, you know I feel like I look like one actress. I don't even know which one now, but I feel like I look like one Black American actress. Let me know in the comment section if you guys can see it. So guys, this 2024, we are saying goodbye to bad wigs, okay? We're saying goodbye to wigs that look tacky, okay? This is classy, this is beautiful, this is lovely. I'm so in love with this wig. I'm sure you guys can tell already. Like, I'm so in love with it. But yeah, let me brush it out now and just see how it will look brushed out. I don't want to brush it. Shit. Let me see what it will look like brushed. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, so it's just body wave. Nice. So the wave is really like waving, okay? The waves are coming out really well. Ooh. So one good thing about wigs like this is that when you want to coil them, they hold coils really well, okay? Because, you know, you can see already that they came coiled, but they hold coils really well. Like, this is fantastic. This is stunning.
Hey, poppin' like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rain do. Speak a little something that you're into.
So guys, that's is it for this wig. You guys go and check out the links in the description box. All the details for these wigs are going to be left in the description box, so just click the link and go and get yours, okay? If there's one wig you are going to be getting this year, it has to be this wig, okay? If there's one body wave wig that you're going to be getting this year, it has to be this wig, okay? Because like you have to get one frontal, at least have a frontal. Some of you always say, I don't wear frontal, I don't like to wear frontal. Yeah, I understand you, okay? I can be like that as well, but you need one frontal. At least you need one frontal that you can lay to perfection like this, because this is perfection, okay? And the thing about this is that it is beginner friendly. You're not trying to pluck the lace, you're not trying to customize the hairline, you're not trying to, you know, bleach the lace or color the all you need to do is just put it on your head, glue the edges and cut off the lace, and you're good to go, okay? And you'll be stunning just like me. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.